Hey guys, I'm Jackie and I'm back with my chicken farm, egg farm. I've only just built this, just ignore that bit, there's nothing to do with it. I only just built it because, yeah. But, you can see all the chickens, they sit up here, hopping, and they end up laying eggs. The eggs come down, they drop down here, and you just sit here, just wait for the, stuff, the eggs. Anyway, none of them go in there, you just stick all the eggs in it. Anyway, how to make it is pretty easy. I think it's 10 by 10. Yeah, it's 10 by 10. See, because water travels 9 blocks. All you do is just get a bit of water and then see where it goes and just do that. Bam, bam, bam. Do this. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do this. Then just go up there. Take that away. Okay, then dig down to the bedrock if you're on super flat, or you can just dig down normally 3. Right, and get loads of signs. 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. You need to get 10 signs. 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. Okay, then you can. Oh, damn it! Sorry about it. Put 1 there. Just let it carry you now. Then just dig this out here and place a chest. Then you can just go up it. Okay, then what you want to do is get your water buckets again and just do it all the way along and then climb out. And then build up 2 with wood until you get to this wall. Right, and then you need to destroy this that you'll have built here. Right, and get yourself some glass. Build up 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now do this for a whole wall. And this is glass is going to be your roof as well. It doesn't have to be your roof. Your roof can be whatever you want. But don't cut off the video now saying, oh yeah, I know what to do from the rest of here, because I've made my own modification to this. Yeah. See, I have made other modifications, but yeah. Okay, just what you need to do really. Stand here, crouch. Build. First, all you need to do is just build all this up. Whole. Suffocating on the moon, zombies disappear into the gloom. I've got to get off in 10 minutes. As you can see, it is 10 to 1 in the morning. Right, so once you've built this up, do this. do that. Then place that there, that there, that there, and that there. Then get your redstone, put it all the way around, leave that there, leave that corner. Do this. Then you get that corner piece, put it there. Get some steps up to it. The wood. Then go up here, and you're nearly done now. All you can do now is you get chicken eggs and just chuck them in. I'll show you with some chicken eggs. Where are they? Oh, my back. Ow. Okay, I can't find no legs for some reason. Ah, they'll be in here, won't they? There they are. Let's get these and just chuck them in. See how many baby chickens you can spawn. See, and then just let those baby chickens grow. Close that. So, and then you do that, and then it'll end up turning out like this one. There, this one has been preparing for a bit. Oh, you see we've got some eggs. You can stick them all in here. You see, and I'm just going to make a little modification as well. This. Just do this. Bum, 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 bum. School where I was bullied for my weight, and it kind of felt like a massive volcano erupting. I first started restricting and like not eating, and people started to notice how much weight I was losing. And when that happened, I resorted to binging and purging because it maintained a steady weight and it, hid it for longer. It was quite a destructive pattern. My dad's gonna come in a minute, telling me I need to get off. Yeah, so just add that on. There you go. Got yourself a chicken farm. Thanks for watching. Here's on my other farms. That one kind of failed. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. My next video will be on a breeding farm. Yeah, see you later, guys. Bye. Oh, rate, comment, subscribe. I keep doing that.